How was that?
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful view, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, trust me. Hey. Hey guys, so we're heading to Stony Hill Road. You know, on our way to Portland. Alright. Portland. We're not going to Portland though, you know.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah. We're looking forward, you know. It's the picturesque Portland. Portland probably the most beautiful part, don't it?
I really enjoy driving through Portland. It's always a really good view, and you're driving along the coast. So trust me, it's just very beautiful. Portland is always very green as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
true.
not like when I drive through some parishes where you see a lot of brown and stuff like that. Portland is just very green and beautiful.
So guys, we're headed to what do you call it? It's a Stony Hill.
Yeah, almost at Stony Hill.
Yeah.
The square that is.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And up here is pretty bad as well.
Yeah, road mash up, guys.
Yeah.
Road mash up. Government say over $1 billion to fix the nation's roads, you know, to rehabilitate them following the flooding. So
I think we should probably try cement instead of asphalt. We could try cement. I mean, what do we have to lose? Asphalt isn't treating us any, you know, isn't giving us any good treatment. If we rainfall, asphalt wash away. So we could probably try cement.
true.
See if that to do a better job, you know? We just tired of them road there with us wash away as the rainfall.
As the rainfall, so it rain soak at night and just heat it up.
I mean, as Jamaicans watching this, y'all know that Jamaica is a dry weather place. It could rain far when I'm trouble down here.
Up in the hills of Stony Hill.
Best believe this is not the narrowest part of the road. It gets worse.
Road mash up, guys. Road mash up. Road mash up.
Yep.
Pay a patrol.
This is junction.
Look here. Mash up, mash up, mash up.
Look at this, guys. This is the new section of the road that they were doing. Like, I don't know if you can see the big hillside.
Yeah, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I first me come around there for a while, you know.
This should be a big road. This should be like the biggest road in St. Mary.
Them can't, yo. You know how long them do this?
Yeah, this has been done for years, like literally for years.
Jeez, them can't done.
Yeah, it all started with like a big breakaway near to St. Mary's factory. Near to St. Mary's factory, there was like a big breakaway, a sink in the road. The road was literally going, sink down. So I guess after that, they decided that they were gonna do like a big road project. And this has been going on. It's been years, literally years. it's good to know that St. Mary getting some decent type of roads though. Because St. Mary and St. Thomas have one of some of the worst roads in Jamaica. People look on this St. Mary get road. Don't know?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh yeah. When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family, the Delphi family.
Guys. Yeah. Yeah man, respect, you know? Respect. Yes I. Irie. Yeah. Just stop out and not a beer, you know guys. You know? Get some soup, you know?
Human service station, the restaurant, yeah.
Human service station. Yeah man, you know what's the first place I stop here to do?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, around 4 times I stop here so I buy from you already. Before.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. Aye. Some nice fish soup, you know. You see? Yeah guys. Check out the view. Over across the street. Not today. So what are you guys up to? Not doing it.
So we just passed Buff Bay, guys, and we're still along the coast. The coast is so beautiful. Yeah. This is what I like about Portland. Look, y'all seen this? Y'all seen this? Guys, a lot of rafting is done on this river.
Hey guys, we're actually in the heart of Port Antonio,
Yep,
Portland. Busy Saturday.
Alright, this is Port Antonio.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is a car.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah guys, we are literally in a line to go in a supermarket in Portland, right? And as you can see, the social distancing can't go on here, so
Portland is one small town, you know, but very congested.
yeah, and the sidewalks are very small as well. So yeah, we're literally waiting to go in the supermarket in a line, alright? Shocking.
We're just gonna grab a few stuff, you know?
Yeah. Especially this guy here.
Alrighty.
Your destination is on the left.
Cliffhanger Resort. No, Sea Cliff.
Really? Oh my god.
Your morning face.
Oh my god.
What's up, morning? Wake up in this place here, you know? Portland. Out in the east. Watching the sunrise. The sun I come from somewhere right around there, so you know. Yeah. Nice little vibe, you know? tranquil. Away from the hustle and bustle. Cottage kind of setting, you know. I'm gonna try the hammock. Just jump in. Don't fall now, you know.
You're gonna be like jumping and then you'll be like, no fall.
Alright, sit.
Yeah, that's gonna be like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, go on back, man. You're good. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey. You can't walk with the ice, just like to walk with the water.
How was that?
It's good.
Beautiful view, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful view, trust me. This is down by the dining room area, you know. Huh?
Where is that chocolate?
Because you can walk go down. Yeah, when we come out of the room, you can walk go down there, so right near the pool. Right near the pool, yeah. Our room is like right up top. Right up there, our room. Yeah. Yeah. Hey girl.
Hey guy. Yeah, it's a lot better now.
Yeah, we have breakfast. Yeah.
Got your photo?
So we have some stewed chicken. Stewed chicken with some pressed plantain and fried dumpling.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm having coffee. Can I finish though?
Yeah, we're having fried dumpling.
See there, Jaden? See there? You seen it, Jaden?
I think we're the food part to go.
Yeah. Alrighty. Hey. Yeah, you know? A bit of vibe on Sunday and thing, you see it? Yeah, man.
From Manchester United, Southampton have seen very little possession, particularly in United territory.
Yeah.
It's never easy, Jim. I've played that central midfield role many times when you played as a two. When teams either play a three and they're a play a diamond. Sometimes it is very difficult. Sometimes the best thing
Yes, you don't want some.
is you stand still. Chase the runners and chase the ball if Matic is going deep. You're then a little bit light to midfield. You're always wary of the runs from Bruno Fernandes. You know Donny van de Beek's going to try and get forward. There's lots going on in that Southampton midfield.
Come on, man, yo. Kick in too. Oh.
Of getting it away.
Mm.
Just guided round the corner for Shelepo, who was waiting in space. Bruno Fernandes with a
So you said, baby, need a summer home
Yeah.
with a view like this? Nice, man. Very relaxing.
see him trying to step forward into Bruno Fernandes.
It's very nice.
Yeah, definitely. Nice. Really love the view, babe. Nice.
It's so nice. I can see it through the water.
Yeah, guys, we can actually see the rocks through the water. It's that clear. It's that clear.
It's very nice. I can only imagine the sunset later.
Yeah.
It should be very nice.
Right. Yeah, guys, we just got a room upgrade. Alright, the room that we were in, we got it last night because the place was full. So now we get the room of our choice. You know, they just gave us that last night, temporary. So we are here, this is where we are. Quite nice, you know?
Yeah.
Quite nice. We have all a coconut right here. Oh, a nice view, see you move. We were like up there before, that room right there. Yeah. And come down here. Our coconut tree around here. Nice cottage setting. Oh yeah, nice lights. Yeah, recess lighting and thing.
Babe,
Hmm.
I wonder if you can sing for you.
Sing, no.
One day.
I'll invite you.
Really?
I'll invite
You can't
you.
do it. Yeah, you got to do it. You know?
Yeah. I like the decor, man. It's nice.
It's better.
Yeah.
A lot better.
Yeah. True. So a bathroom, it's like an outside bathroom setting. Our grandmother back in the days, they used to have outside bathroom, you know, with zinc, just like this. Remind me of that, you know. A nice comfortable space, you know. So how are you?
Really good.
Okay. You look good.
Weekend.
You look good. Yep.